Hi, Jerry. Good evening.
Yeah, good
Welcome back
evening.
to my class. Yes, it's good to see you again. Okay.
Yes, yes.
All right. So let's have our lesson for today. So we're still in speaking test part one, and this time it's lesson three. Okay. All
Okay.
right. So now please check the direction for the first try.
Mm. Check the background and read the dialogue for the situation. Teacher will play the situation audio. Listen carefully to understand the details.
All right. So let's listen to the audio. Please listen carefully. Here we go.
Mm.
You are in your English language class, and the teacher asks you to explain to the other students why you are studying English. Explain it's for work and travel.
Okay, so now please look at let's try and please check again the directions here.
Okay. A little delay.
Ah, yeah, I noticed as well. Yeah, I noticed it.
Okay.
Mhm.
So 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 how about
Uh,
now?
yeah, I can hear you clearly, and it's all right. So please check the directions in let's try. Okay, please check the directions.
Oh, okay. Uh, Next, let's challenge reading aloud and check how much your own pronunciation will be recognized. Start reading aloud after the teacher's instructions.
Okay, please look at the read aloud sentence. Now you
Mm,
have 30 seconds to practice by
mm,
yourself. Okay, practice
mm,
first.
mm.
Hmm.
Okay. Hi, I am studying English for two reasons. First, learning English will improve my job opportunities. Second, I want to be able to communicate with people when I travel abroad on vacation.
All right. Okay. Now you are going to use now the system. So please don't forget to click the icon before and after speaking. Okay. Are you ready?
Okay.
All right. Please start.
Hi, I am studying English for two reasons. First, learning English will improve my job opportunities. Second, I want to be able to communicate with people when I travel abroad on vacation.
Okay, all right. Now please look at the chat box. Let's see if there are some words that cannot be recognized. Well, okay. All right, let's see. Hi, I'm studying English. Very good for two reasons. All right. First, learning
First,
English will
English.
removable. So
Oh,
the word improve. My job opportunities. Okay. Second, I want to be able to communicate with people when I travel abroad on vacation. All right. So just two words. Okay. Just two words. So we have the word improve. Let's practice this one. Improve.
yeah, improve.
One more time. Improve.
Yeah, improve.
Okay, and again the word on. Okay, the word on, it was recognized as down. So make sure on. That's right.
Um,
On. So you need to prolong, right? To make it more clearer to the system. On.
um.
All right, so on vacation. Now let's read it again. Hi, I'm studying English for two reasons. First, learning English with what's that? With will improve. Okay, so not with removable, but will improve. All right, so it should be the phrase will improve.
Yes,
Okay.
will improve.
That's right. So English will improve my job opportunities. Second, I want to be able to communicate with people when I travel abroad on vacation. Okay, is it clear now? Are
Mm,
there still some words that you need to practice on? Or just that? Improve, will improve, and then
mm.
on.
Yes, yes,
Just that, right? Okay.
yes.
All right, so now let's proceed to the next one. Okay, here we are going to listen to the model audio. Okay, here we go. Please listen.
Hi, I am studying English for two reasons. First, learning English will improve my job opportunities. Second, I want to be able to communicate with people when I travel abroad on vacation.
All right, you want to listen one more time?
It's okay.
It's okay. All right. Okay. So,
Mm,
do you have any words that you want to practice? Or is it,
no.
it's okay. All right. Okay. So let's move on
Yes.
to the second try. Okay. Please read again the directions of the second try.
Okay.
All right.
Just read it directly, right?
All right. So you have 30 seconds to practice again. Hmm.
Oh, press again. Yeah.
Practice.
Hi, I am studying English for two reasons. First, learning English will improve my job opportunities. Second, I want to be able to communicate with people when I travel abroad on vacation.
Right. Make sure. On. On. Okay.
Um,
All right,
okay.
so let's try reading aloud and see how your pronunciation is recognized. So again, start and end this speaking. Please don't forget to click the icon. Okay, are you ready?
Okay.
Okay, please start.
Okay. Hi, I am studying English for two reasons. First, learning English will improve my job opportunities. Second, I want to be able to communicate with people when I travel abroad on vacation.
Okay, so let's practice more. So practice will be based on the result of the challenges and improve your pronunciation more. So let's see. All right, so hi, I'm studying English for two reasons. First, learning English will improve, very good, by job opportunities. Second, I want to be able to communicate with people when I travel
When I
abroad.
travel abroad on
Vacation.
vacation.
On was
When
already with people, when. So
when
when.
when
Just
yes
when, okay?
when
Let's try to practice this when.
when
One more time. When.
when
Okay. When I travel abroad on vacation.
when I travel abroad on vacation.
One more time. When I travel abroad on vacation.
When I travel abroad on vacation.
Okay, very good. A while ago, you were able to. It was recognized a while ago, right? The when. See, look at the previous one. When I travel abroad down vacation. So it was recognized a while ago. I don't know what happened this time.
Yeah, me too.
But yeah,
But
so
it's okay. Yeah.
it's okay. Yeah, yeah, you were able to like change and it was recognized the down and then the other one is on, right? On and will improve. Yeah,
Yes.
it's good. That's good.
Mm,
All
yeah.
right, so now let's move on
Mm,
to the second one. Question three to
mm.
two. Let's start with first try. Okay, so you know the direction already. So now please listen to the situation. Okay, here we go.
You need to apologize to the restaurant because you have to cancel the reservation for that day, and you want to make a reservation for another day instead.
All right, do you understand the situation? Is it clear? Okay. Oh, you can you hear me? Can you hear me now?
I can hear you. Yeah, but delay seriously.
Oh, delayed again. Yes. So it's still talking, right? Your audio is delayed. I see.
Yes.
It's okay now?
Yeah. So
Uh,
yeah. So listen again. Yeah.
okay, you want to listen again. All right, there we go.
You need to apologize to the restaurant because you have to cancel the reservation for that day, and you want to make a reservation for another day instead.
Okay.
Okay, so it's not delayed anymore.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's please look at let's try. Okay, so we have here again the direction, same direction a while ago. So now please look at read aloud sentence. Again, you have 30 seconds to practice. Just practice first, okay?
Okay. Hello. I am calling about a reservation I made for today. I won't be able to make it, so I am afraid I have to cancel. But I would like to rebook for next Friday at 12:30 p.m. Is that possible?
Okay. All right, so now let's try reading aloud and see how your pronunciation is recognized. Are you ready?
Mm,
All right, so
yes.
please click the icon before and after speaking. Please start.
Hello, I am calling about a reservation I made for today. I won't be able to make it, so I'm afraid I have to cancel. But I would like to rebook for next Friday at 12:30 p.m. Is that possible?
All right, it's great. So we will practice based on the result of the challenges and improve your pronunciation. Okay, so we will check the chat box if there are some words that cannot be recognized well. Okay, so this time I'll pick up some words which you need to practice more. Please wait a moment. Hello, I'm calling about a reservation I made for today. Very good. I won't be able to make it, so I'm afraid I have to cancel. Very good. But I would like to read a book, to rebook from Friday at 12:30 p.m. is not possible. Okay, so it's that. Make sure the word that. So let's start with I'm afraid I have to cancel, but I would like to read a book. So rebook. I would like to rebook for next from Friday. For next Friday. So we need to practice from here to rebook for next Friday. Okay, let's try this one. To rebook for next Friday.
Yes. To rebook for next Friday.
One more time. To rebook for next Friday.
Yeah. To rebook for next Friday.
All right. Is that possible?
That possible?
One more time. Is that possible?
Is that possible?
All right. So the word that here was recognized as not. So you need to practice the that. Okay. That.
Okay.
That. All right. So this is the words that you need to practice. That and rebook. All right. It's clear? That and rebook. Okay. Now let's proceed to the model audio. Let's try to listen the model one. Here we go.
Hello, I am calling about a reservation I made for today.
Mhm.
I won't be able to make it, so I'm afraid I have to cancel, but I would like to rebook for next Friday at 12:30 p.m. Is that possible?